Hey Tech Tigers, today's video is something special, something explosive, and it's made just for you, especially for all you Sony fanatics out there who are ready to witness the jaw-dropping tech magic all over again. You know the kind that wins hearts every single time, the kind that makes other brands nervous. Imagine a phone that isn't just a communication tool, but an absolute monster. A camera that actually has the guts to leave DSLRs in the dust. And a performance beast that doesn't just handle today's games, it takes on the future itself. If tech runs through your veins, don't you dare click away. Because today, we're bringing you the full story of the most advanced and most anticipated smartphone in the world, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8. That's right, folks, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8 is about to drop and shake up the market. And based on the leaks we're seeing, this phone isn't just coming for the Xperia 1 Mark 7, it's coming for every single flagship on the planet. Samsung, watch out. Apple, take notes. Google, better step it up, so lock in. Don't waste a second, let's dive into the insane features of this futuristic device that put it on a whole other level. Let's go. Design and display. The moment you lay your eyes on this thing, you're done for. Sony left no stone unturned with the design. Premium matte glass finish. Gorgeous aluminum frame, perfect ergonomics. The second it sits in your hand, you'll feel it, that wow factor. No weird camera bumps, no cheap plastic, just pure, refined craftsmanship. And the display, oh, this is where the fun really starts. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8 packs a 6.6-inch 4K HDR OLED panel with a buttery 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're grinding the new season of PUBG, diving into Call of Duty action, or streaming a Hollywood blockbuster on Netflix, everything looks cinema-grade and smoother than reality. Brightness, contrast, color accuracy, it's the same magic Sony puts in their Bravia TVs, now right in your pocket. And with 240Hz touch sampling rate, your taps and swipes feel instant. Gamers, you will feel the difference. Camera system. Now let's talk about the thing Sony fans have been waiting years for, the camera. And believe me, Sony came ready to fight. The Xperia 1 Mark 8 is packing the most advanced camera setup on any phone, period. This thing will literally change the way you shoot. First up, Sony's brand new 50-megapixel XMOR-T sensor. This isn't some off-the-shelf sensor, folks. This is the same tech found in Sony's professional Alpha series cameras. That means when you're shooting at night, noise is almost non-existent. Colors pop. Detail is mind-blowing. This sensor turns every lighting condition into your personal masterpiece. But hold on, we're just getting started. The ultra-wide lens, major upgrade. You're getting a 48-megapixel improved lens with distortion practically eliminated. Group photos, massive buildings, breathtaking landscapes, from the edges to the center, everything looks natural and razor sharp. No more warped corners or weird stretching. And telephoto, Sony threw in a beastly 12-megapixel periscope lens with 5x optical zoom and up to 30x AI enhanced zoom. Your favorite subject sitting way across the stage. Zoom in, and you'll see every hair strand, every tiny detail, crystal clear. This isn't digital guesswork, this is optical precision. Then there's Sony's secret weapon, real-time eye autofocus and object tracking for humans, animals, and even birds. This feature makes you feel like a pro photographer instantly. The phone locks onto eyes like a laser and never lets go. And for the selfie lovers, a 32-megapixel front camera with HDR and night mode. Taking selfies just became an art form. Performance. Now let's talk raw power. Folks, this phone looks like a bear, but in performance, it's a lion. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8 runs on Qualcomm's latest and most powerful processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. That means when you buy this phone, it'll dominate performance for the next 3 to 4 years without breaking a sweat. Heavy gaming, video editing, 10 apps open at once. This processor eats it all for breakfast. Paired with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a massive 256 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. And with Android 16 and Sony's custom interface, everything feels fluid, fast, and ridiculously premium. No bloatware, no lag, just pure speed. Battery and charging. Now, battery. Flagship phones usually skimp here. Not Sony. You're getting a massive 5000 mAh battery. Charge it once, and you're blasting through an entire day of heavy use. Morning to night, zero anxiety. We're talking 8+ hours of screen on time easily. And when you do run low, 30-watt fast charging support, In just minutes, your phone is back on its feet. Plus, 15-watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging for your earbuds or smartwatch. Yeah, they thought of everything. And with Sony's battery care engine, your battery stays healthy for years. Folks, now let's get into the features that usually fall through the cracks. These are the things that make this phone untouchable. Vapor chamber cooling system v3.0. Sony had cooling before, but this is the third generation, and the biggest vapor chamber yet. You can grind hours of COD Mobile or Genshin Impact, and the phone won't overheat. Performance won't stutter. Your gaming session stays buttery smooth. For gamers, this is a dream come true. DSLR Ultimate 3.0. This time, DSLR Ultimate 3.0 uses AI to remaster your songs. Even an old 128 kilobits per second track will sound like it was recorded in a studio. Satellite messaging and connectivity. Yes, you heard that right. Where mobile networks disappear, jungles, mountains, the middle of nowhere, this phone connects to satellites to send and receive messages. Not basic SOS. Full text messaging, 4K 120fps HDR video recording. Last year, maybe only the primary lens could do 4K at 120fps. Not anymore. This time, the ultra-wide and telephoto lenses also shoot 4K 120fps HDR video. Slow motion with HDR color. Your videos will look cinematic as heck. Videographers are going to lose their minds. Plus, there's a dedicated Video Pro mode with waveform monitors and focus peaking. Sony Music Pro app. This app comes pre-installed. You can mix and master your own tracks using AI, right on your phone. No laptop, no studio. You play guitar, you sing, the app turns it into a professional track. For music lovers, this is a dream come true. Add effects, adjust levels, even remove background noise with one tap. Security and connectivity. Sony kept the fingerprint sensor in the power button but made it faster and more reliable. Plus, Face Unlock got upgraded with a 3D to F depth sensor, so it works even in pitch darkness. You also get Wi-Fi 7 support. Only a handful of phones in the world have this right now. Bluetooth 5.4, and USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, which can output directly to a 4K display. Plug your phone into a TV or monitor and get a desktop-like experience. Insane. Also, dual SIM support and eSIM compatibility for global travelers. Price and launch date. So, you're probably thinking, with all this, what's the price gonna be? According to leaks, this phone sits in the premium segment, with a starting price around $1,499. Yeah, it's not cheap. But for what you're getting, that's value for money. Compare it to a $1,200 iPhone with less storage, slower charging, and no satellite messaging. Suddenly Sony looks like a bargain. Keep in mind, this isn't official yet, so stay tuned. As for the launch date, expect Sony to drop this explosive device globally within the next few months. Likely August or September 2026. So if you're one of those people who trust the Sony name, get ready. So, Tech Tigers, what do you think? How's that for an explosive look at the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8? Drop your thoughts in the comments.